The doctor who conducted Corporal Kok Yuen Chin's autopsy has pointed out the difference in the breathing responses of swimmers and non-swimmers when pushed into the water. He was testifying at the trial of two commanders linked with the drowning of the full-time NS man of the Singapore Civil Defence Force.
Corporal Kok was pushed into a pump well in a ragging incident last May. Ariel Lim with more.
Pathologist George Paul said that swimmers would usually inhale before entering the water and exhale only after that. On the other hand, non-swimmers caught by surprise may inhale and gasp when in the water. The court had earlier heard that Corporal Kok told at least one of his colleagues that he couldn't swim. After the autopsy, Dr. Paul visited Tuas View Fire Station to take a look at the well. He said that the narrow and dark well could have also led to body disorientation, and the confusion in the water could cause a person to go deeper instead of surfacing. The autopsy revealed that the corporal sustained bruises on his head and other small abrasions. His brain was swollen and there was water in his lungs and his airway. Blood-stained froth was also found at his nostrils. These were usual signs of drowning. When asked about Corporal Kok's chances of survival had he been resuscitated, Dr. Paul said that complications such as pneumonia or infections could still arise and cause death. The trial resumes next week when an officer who deleted footage of the incident is likely to testify.